more of yours.
You guys, Sydney
Are we
got
next to
everything
each other?
here. And today,
Is this one yours? Wait.
and today we're gonna be doing a series with Elijah. With just yeah, Tor.
Hi. Okay. Danilo here.
Yeah.
Hey, welcome to my restaurant, everyone. This is my 5-star restaurant. So what I have, it's not really anything right now because I don't have lots of money. So yeah, I have like chairs, I have a cooking station, I have my own private chef named Preston. From Preston, you should check out his YouTube channel. His channel is the best right now, and I can serve. Okay, so I don't really have anything. I'm just serving people because I haven't even played this game in a little while now. Ooh. Oh. I have to wash the dishes. Okay, let's head over to Danilo's theme park. First, let me get these customers and...
Theme park?
Theme park. Not a theme park.
I think mine is a
theme park, no?
No, it's not a theme park. Mine is a cross.
Oh, restaurant. Why do I keep on saying theme park? I always think we're in Theme Park Tycoon. We have done 11 episodes on Theme Park Tycoon, right?
Yeah.
There's this 2 stories.
Yeah, I paid $4,500. It's like a lot. Oh my.
Okay, give me a house tour. What's up? Restaurant tour.
Okay, this is my burning stoves. Ow, ow. This is my 3 sinks.
I'm burning.
This is my 3 sinks. My best sinks, the 3 sinks. And this is where they grab the food from.
Is that Josh? Hi, Josh. Hi, Slogo Man. Slogo Man. Come over to mine. Slogo Man. I miss you, Slogo Man.
Okay.
Can you hire me? I want you to hire me. How can you hire people?
I don't know.
Wait, can I select? Oh, Danilo, wait.
Yeah?
I can select you. Are you my, what is that called? Are you my waiter?
No, I can see if I can put yours, yeah, there's music. I can enable music.
Nah, no. Like, okay, where's the episode gonna be at? Yours or mine?
I don't care whose channel it is. It can be on both our channels. I don't care.
Well, maybe I might start mine a little later. Well, because I need to go and do some stuff off cam. Okay? Where's my restaurant?
I think it's across. Okay.
Oh, it's over here. Yeah, I see it.
Okay, now I'm gonna have to go to the store because I need more stuff, and
Yeah, I'm also going to the store too.
Hi.
I'm
gonna buy these, guys. I'm gonna buy these. $250. Buy it.
But I only have. Oh, I have lots of money now thanks to my waiters and stuff. Like. I'm just not going super fancy. I can't afford this. How much money is it? Oh my god.
What?
It's too expensive for me. I cannot afford this.
Oh my god. I'm at $56. I spend about $800 now. I'm gonna go back.
Wait, I can sell an item.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't know that?
Ooh.
I just found that out last episode, guys.
Oh. Okay, I just sold that. Oh, and I just got $30. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, let's head over here. How much money is this thing?
Oh my god, I have a cheap table. I don't like the cheap tables. I like the expensive tables.
But Danilo, listen.
Yeah?
I don't think you should go for too expensive. Don't go for too expensive. Reason why is because you will lose all of your money.
I just went from the martyr. This is so.
Oh, look, this is the gold stove. How much money is this gold stove?
Probably like 100,000 million.
I cannot afford that. Okay, what else can I buy? You know, I might go for like maybe a double.
This episode, guys, I'm gonna be designing the second floor. Okay. Sorry, I just had to tell my fans something. What this episode's about.
What is it about, Nilo?
Designing the second floor, cause my second floor is ugly. I need to add stuff.
Kuya,
Yeah, I'm here.
Kuya, you're seriously just gonna do that? Can I
No,
get
there's
the
more.
size? I can't get the open size.
1,200. I'm only coming in here with $355.
Oh my god, wait. How much money is this jukebox?
150.
Can I get it?
No, it's not.
Oh, it's Robux?
Look at this. This is 2 million.
Since
2
when will they
million.
give us Robux? What 2 million?
This is all 2 million, 4 million, 500 Robux. This is cheap.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I'm
Can I get this? Oh, I can get this. Okay, I'm heading over. Oh, I need Robux. I hate Robux.
Oh yeah, I need to go ahead. Can I actually buy? I want to buy like. I'm gonna end this series. Not yet. So never. $500.
Okay,
I want
Daniel, I'm heading over to my restaurant so I can put stuff down.
Okay.
Okay, I'll meet you at my restaurant.
Okay.
I'm gonna put down some more tables. Do you know where my restaurant is right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna put down some. I'm actually gonna design stuff. I need to buy 2 of these for a reason. No, 3 of these, and I need to buy 1 of these. So I have 3 tables. So no, actually, I'm gonna buy more chairs. I'm gonna buy another 3 chairs that can fit a whole family.
Okay, Kuya.
Yeah.
Can you come over to my theme park, Kuya? Okay, please, Kuya. Why do I keep on saying theme park?
Hi.
It's not Tycoon. Oh my god, I'm used to having theme park Tycoon around me right now.
Is that your theme park? Theme park. I get it.
Stop making fun of me.
No, I accidentally say my theme park. Okay, it says you are a backlist from entering. Oh, you blocked me from entering. I can't enter.
Wait, I did?
Yeah, you blocked me from entering.
Oh, I see now. Okay, can you get in now? I'm gonna block everybody off except you.
Okay, so that's good. Okay, I want to be your new waiter. You don't have to pay me. I'll just do it for free.
Okay, you have to pay me $1 each day. No, I'm not joking. Actually, it's just a lie. Don't pay me $1. Well, it's just Roblox. Don't pay me Robux. Only if I'm on your what is that called? Your thing, then yeah. Can you get the food, Milo? Oh, Kuya?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm holding the food. Kuya, where are you, Kuya? Oh, you're.
Guys, you see what I have to deal with? My cousin, now him. My cousin, my brother, now him. I get wild.
Oh my god. Kuya?
I need to do something to my theme. No, my restaurant. I need to go add something.
Okay, well, Kuya, meet me at the thing. Well, I'll come over to your restaurant, not theme park. Guys, just leave in the comments how many times have we said theme park, even though it's restaurant. Sorry. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to do a video on my channel. So Danilo is gonna take a day off with his video. So it's gonna be me doing it with Danilo. But Danilo's not doing the video, right, Kuya?
Yeah.
So it will just, it's super laggy, Kuya.
Oh my god, my computer's about to die. Where's my charger? I can speed this. I can speed this. I can beat it in 1 second. Guys, if my camera turns off, that means my computer died. I believe I can beat it. Okay, I beat it.
Kuya.
Give me 5 likes. Guys, give me 5 likes since I did it.
Kuya!
What? I'm talking to my fans.
I know, but can you let me up here? I'm super laggy. I'm heading back to my restaurant, okay?
Okay.
Whose restaurant is better? I know whose. Danilo. I don't care whatever you choose. If you don't choose me, then you have to unsubscribe to Danilo. Just kidding. What you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and Danilo's channel. Eli, you guys are the best. The best, I mean. Okay, so subscribe to that channel and subscribe to this channel too if you want to. So, I highly recommend that if you guys want to play this game with us, just, you have
Subscribe.
to only subscribe. Then you can play a Roblox game together, right? Right, Kuya?
Yeah.
Kuya?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because me and Kuya are very good at stuff. Yeah? What? Nah. No.
Guys, you don't know how mad I am. Just, oh my god. God help me. He said, probably it's my channel. You guys have to. You can probably sub to his channel. It's not your choice. You can sub if you want to, but it's my channel. He said, you probably have to sub to his channel. It's my channel. You guys can sub to my channel. Really, but you guys can probably sub to his channel. Okay? Bye. Put back him.
Kuya,
What?
I accidentally logged out. Wait, Jackson's on.
Oh my god, Okay, actually, I need to go add something. I'm gonna add some plants. Over there.
Wait,
Okay.
I need to head over to the, what is that called? The shop.
Yeah, me too.
I need to go to this shop. Okay, are you at the shop, Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just looking for stuff to sell and buy. Ooh, plants. Okay, can I buy this? Okay, I'm gonna buy one more.
Modern.
One for the restaurant and one for sale.
Oh, my video is about to end in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Oh, I could... 1 million? I'm never buying this.
Kuya, let's head over to my theme park. Not a theme park.
Okay. Guys, probably the next episode, I'm gonna buy the gumball machine and whatever this is, the displayer cabinet.
The gumball machine?
Yeah, that's about like $3,000. I'm gonna save up.
Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna buy that. Okay, just kidding. Okay, so this is for decor.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, I just added some decorations. Okay. I don't think that's enough. I'm just gonna try and buy one more thing.
I see Jackson.
Yeah. You can't. You have to finish. You have to follow the blue things. You have to touch whatever they're showing you, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna sell this. Okay, let's
$500? I'm gonna buy this.
Jackson, we can't stay here together, Jackson.
$650? I have to pay this so much. You don't know how, guys, you want to see how much people I'm serving at I'm serving 480. Look, people are coming to mine.
Okay, Clea.
What?
Well, is the video gonna end?
Yeah, in 7 seconds.